Okay, when we create new tasks, it would be cool to show a little bit information here on the top so that we know that the task has been created successfully and similar. Django comes with something called a Messages Framework. So let's go to views.py and import this. We just say from django.contrib import messages. And here, when we have created a new task, we can say messages.success. So it's a success message. Pass in the request parameter. The task was added. Let's also add an extra tag so that we have a HTML class we can use if we want to do that. So extra tags, BG Emerald 500. So we can save this now, and nothing will happen if I create a new task now. Let's just do that so it's done and tested. Submit. Nothing happens. So we need a way to print this, and this is something I like to do in the base.html. So let's open up that, and below the navigation we can say if messages. This is default by Django called messages, and if, and in here I can say for message in messages. So we'll loop through all of them. And for, so that's how you loop through them. Div class py for px6 and message dot tags, I think it is, to get the background color. Text white, rounded XL, and my6. So we get space above and below. And here we just print the value of this one. Close the div. And if I refresh now, there should be one message. If I refresh, it's gone. So what this does is that it adds one message to the session that the user is connected to. And once it's shown, it's removed from the session. So if I try to add one more now, submit, then the message is there. If I refresh, it's gone. Awesome. You can do the same thing with error messages or success message when you have deleted or edited a task as well. So that's a little task for you to learn more about this. Learn more about messages.danger or messages.warning and try to implement them. In the next video, we're going to learn more about email sending. So see you in the next video.